Hello and welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, an attorney here at the firm, and today we're diving into a topic that is vital to anyone involved in a family law case in Texas. What you should expect to be asked in a family law deposition. Depositions are a crucial part of the legal process, and understanding what to expect can make a significant difference in your case. Before we jump into this important subject, please take a moment to hit that button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay informed about Texas family law and other legal matters. Let's begin by understanding why depositions are so important in family law cases. Depositions are a process where both parties and their attorneys have an opportunity to question a witness, including the opposing party, under oath. These sessions are critical for gathering information, assessing the strength of the case, and preparing for trial. Depositions are a crucial part of building your case as they provide insight into the other party's evidence, witnesses, and legal strategies. To help you better understand what to expect in a family law deposition, let's explore a real-life scenario involving a divorcing couple, the Smiths. Meet Sarah and John Smith. They've been married for 8 years and are going through a divorce. During their case, both parties have requested depositions to gather information. Sarah's attorney, as a part of her divorce case, has requested a deposition of John to learn more about his income, assets, and his plans for the children's future. John's attorney, in response, has requested a deposition of Sarah to gain insights into her income, expenses, and her position on child custody and visitation. Now, let's dive into the common questions you can expect in a family law deposition. Financial matters are a significant focus on family law depositions. You can anticipate questions about income, expenses, assets, and debts. In cases involving children, expect questions about your involvement in their lives, your co-parenting arrangements, and your preference for custody and visitation. If applicable, you will also be asked about spousal support, alimony, and how you believe marital property should be divided. Family law depositions can sometimes include personal, emotional questions, particularly if they relate to the case's key issues. Being well prepared for your deposition is crucial. Here are some key tips. Consult with an attorney well in advance to understand the process and possible questions and legal strategies. Familiarize yourself with your case's details, financial records, and any documents related to the issues in question. During the deposition, remain calm and answer truthfully. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to say so. For the Smiths, their deposition played a significant role in the divorce case. Through the deposition, both parties gained valuable insights into each other's financial situations, plans for their children, and the overall strength of their respective cases. In some cases, depositions can lead to settlements as parties gain clearer understanding of the strengths and the weaknesses of their positions. In other cases, they serve as an essential preparation for trial. In conclusion, family law depositions are a crucial part of the legal process, providing a platform to gather information, assess the case, and make informed decisions. If you're facing a family law case and that involves a deposition, it is essential to have support and guidance of an experienced family law attorney. Thank you for joining me today for this informative discussion. If you found this information valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content related to Texas family law and legal matters. Legal support is just a phone call away, and we're here to help you navigate the complexities of your family law case. Stay informed, stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.